So today we'll show you how to make my robot. It's my favorite one. So grab 4 black axle pegs and put one here and there, and same on the other side. And 2 3-stud long axle pegs. Put one up here and one up there. Yeah, look at that. Next one, I'm just gonna grab the motors, like so. I'm not using string because I'm doing this. Shoot. Anyway, so grab your motor, put it right here like that. It's really hard. I'm sorry, I can't do this perfectly. There you go. I'm pretty sure you can see it good. Like that right here. So put the motor right there. Then wrap it around a few times. And then you just put the motor into it. So it should look like this. Yeah. So then we're just gonna click. Yeah, wrap it around for some time until it finally can go on this point E. Finally do that. Shoot. It'll take some cable configuration and then take 2 wheels and make them look like this with make them look like these bone tool of this thing, and then we're just gonna attach it over here. There we go. We got that nice click sound. And make sure your wires don't fall off. So it works very well. And then we're gonna grab one of these things and click it onto here. That's the reason I said make sure your wires don't escape otherwise. Dot. So anyways, now we're moving on to the back. So you're gonna build them with these pieces. I'm just gonna move the thing closer. I think that's this right. Yeah, so there's the bottom. Trying to find the correct way to mount it, because I don't even so some camera stands because I can't even get one. Keeps falling down. So down. Just gonna do that. these pieces right there. So I'll just take it apart and show you. All these things, we'll just move them apart somewhere else, and then you're gonna see them. And first, draw one of these things. Nope, this is all the parts of the Lego MINDSTORMS 4 and 5 robot inventor we used to build this, and nothing else. Yeah. So build one of these two things, and this thing, how to build it is basically take one of these caster wheels. We're gonna just stick this thing onto there and do that, and make sure it's in the middle, because it's gonna be very important if it isn't in the middle. So you see, like that. Boom. And then boom, we got this castle thingy. We're gonna click that on, and then just, we're not gonna click these things on. Make sure the castle can rotate nice and smooth, so when you don't get it scratched. Then snap the part onto this one. Next thing you see, now back to our little robot there. We're gonna put it right. Just gonna put it right there, and then we're also gonna make two of these things. And you see this thing, this thing's also force almost other things, so I want to make it nice and strong, so we're just gonna do that. You can also pause this is pause the video anytime and for some more, or just, yeah. So now you got your very own robot. It's a nice one, and of course easy to build. I hope you enjoyed, and also subscribe for some new things that I was connecting to the phone I'm recording. And I hope you enjoyed. Also, just do it. So some more thing is that this is what Lego MINDSTORMS and 5 for inventor sets. You can build some more things. You also should have like 2 motors left. It won't be, be that much of a problem. And so I hope you enjoy, and yeah. So just do one robot. I'm just gonna do a basic. So, don't mind just me throwing my shoes around. Yeah, so that's it. It was please subscribe. That helped me a lot, because someone coming up with the new robots. Because I always want to get, yeah. Also, you got a whole vision. So I'm just gonna add one more fancy photo shot. And yeah, hope you enjoy. Please subscribe, comment, and like, because I'm a new person. Because I took over my brother's own channel. Here's a quick face review. Yeah, I'm actually 7 years old. However, the guy from the weather report thingy on the channel is actually a different person. And he existed before I even existed. Well, hope you enjoyed. Bye.